Hello everyone, welcome back to English Hub.
I am so excited, Sarah. Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, we're going to learn two very important English words that native speakers use every single day, do and have.
Yes, these words are everywhere in English conversations. Native speakers use them every day, and once you understand them, your English will become much more natural. So, ready? Let's begin.
First, what does do mean? The verb do usually means to perform an action or activity.
Think about this. Do means action. Whenever you perform an activity, you often use the verb do.
Yeah, for examples. I do my homework every evening. We do exercise every morning. They do the dishes after dinner. You do a great job.
In all these sentences, someone is performing an action, do and does. In the present tense, we use I do, you do, we do, they do, but for he, she, and it, we use does.
For examples, I do my homework. You do your work carefully. They do exercise every day.
Now look at these. He does his homework. She does yoga every morning. It does not work properly. Notice that does is used only with he, she, and it. Fantastic! Now let us move on to questions with do and does.
We also use do and does to make questions. For examples, do you speak English? Do they play football? Do we have enough time?
For he, she, and it. Does he speak English? Does she work here? Does your brother drive?
Listen to the pattern.
Question.
Do you speak English? Yes, I do. Or we can say no, I don't. Does she work here? Yes, she does. Or no, she doesn't.
Now let's learn some common expressions that use do. Do homework. I do my homework after school. Do exercise. She does exercise every day. Do business. They do business together. Do your best. Always do your best. Do a favor. Can you do me a favor?
These expressions are very common in everyday English. Now let us learn real-life examples with a story. Imagine a student named Tom. Every morning, Tom wakes up at 6 o'clock. He does exercise for 30 minutes. Then he goes to school. After school, he does his homework. In the evening, he helps his mother and does the dishes. Tom is very busy, but he always does his best. Can you hear how many times we use do and does?
That's because they are very common when talking about actions. Excellent! Now you know that do is mainly used for actions and activities.
Part 2.
What does have mean? The verb have usually means to possess something, to own something, to experience something.
Think about this. Have means possession or experience. Have and has. We use these I, you, we, they.
Examples, I have, you have, we have, and they have. But for he, she, and it, we use has.
Yes, for examples. He has, she has, and it has.
Let us see with sentences. I have a car. You have a new phone. We have enough money. They have many friends.
Now look at these. He has a bicycle. She has a beautiful house. It has 4 wheels.
Have for possession. When something belongs to you, we often use have. For examples, I have a laptop. She has a smartphone. They have a big house. We have a garden. Here, have means possess or own.
Have for experience. Sometimes have does not mean own. It means experience. For examples, I have a headache. She has a problem. We have a meeting today. They have an idea.
You cannot own a headache, but you can't experience one. Questions with have. In modern English, we usually use do and does to ask questions with have. Examples: do you have a car? Do they have children? Does she have a phone? Does he have a job?
Answers: yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Yes, she does. Or no, she doesn't.
Pay attention to this. Incorrect sentence. Does she has a phone? Correct this way. Does she have a phone?
After does, we always use the base verb have. Do and have together. Now let's compare them. Example 1. I have homework. I do my homework. What is the difference? I have homework means homework exists for me. I do my homework means I complete the homework.
Example 2. She has a job. She does her job well. Has a job means she possesses a job. Does her job means she performs the work.
Example 3. We have a meeting. We do the work during the meeting. The first sentence talks about possession or experience. The second sentence talks about action.
Short conversation.
Do you have a job?
Yes, do.
What do you do?
I work in a bank.
Do you have a car?
Yes, do.
Do you drive to work?
Yes, do. Notice the difference. Do you have a job means are you employed? What do you do means what is your job?
Now let us move to common mistakes. Mistake 1. Do not say, he have a car. Say like this, he has a car.
Mistake 2. She do her homework. She does her homework.
Mistake 3. Does he has a phone? Does he have a phone?
Let us conclude this.
Do means always action.
Do homework. Do essay.
Do business. Do your work. Do your best.
Have implies possession or experience.
Have a car. Have a phone. Have a meeting. Have a problem. Have an idea.
Remember, do tells us what action we perform.
Have tells us what we possess or experience. The more you practice these two verbs, the more natural your English will become.
See you next time.